In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access on Google Analytics. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or simply managing a website, sharing access with team members or collaborators can be crucial for real-time insights and streamlined workflows. So let's dive into this quick 5-minute walkthrough. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Analytics website. I'll provide a direct link to the platform to make this step as straightforward as possible. Once you're there, you'll see a prominent option that says Sign into Analytics. Go ahead and click on that to log into your account. If you're already signed in with your Google account, this step will be seamless, but if not, you'll need to enter your login credentials. Upon signing in, you'll be directed to the Google Analytics home. This is your dashboard where all the magic happens, and from here you'll have access to an overview of your website's analytics. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this space, especially if it's your first time here. Next, we're going to navigate to the settings. Look for a gear icon or a section titled Admin, which is usually located towards the lower left corner of the home page. Click on that to access the settings area. Within this administrative area, you'll see account settings nestled under your account name. Selecting this gives you access to all account-specific configurations. Once you're in account settings, you'll also need to dive deeper into the property settings. Now this is crucial because property in Google Analytics typically refers to your website or app, where all shared data and reports are generated. Click on Property Settings to move forward. After you're in the property settings, find Property Details. Clicking here will take you to specific property configurations. Just remember, this is where you define and fine-tune the settings specific to this property or basically your chosen website. Now let's get to the main task. Locate Property Access Management within the options here and give it a click. This page is where you control who has permission to view or edit your analytical data, a very pivotal step. Once you click into Property Access Management, you'll see a list of users who currently have access. From here, you have the freedom to add new users by entering their email addresses and selecting their role, typically either viewer or editor, depending on what level of access you want them to have. Always ensure that the access levels you provide match both the requirement and the user's needs. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated through Google Analytics and shared access with your team or collaborators. This setup will aid in better collaboration and informed decision making. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help.